Hello, I'm George Basayas again, and today I would like to talk to you about what you should do if you get served with a summons and complaint when you're being sued by your credit card. Most of the time, your credit card will not sue you. Most of the time, they charge it off. They write off the debt and they sell your debt to a debt buyer. There are various companies that buy the debt. One of them is Catch LLC, another is Asset Management Group, Palisades Collection, NCO Financial, Portfolio Recovery. These companies buy your debt most of the time electronically from the creditor for pennies on the dollar, 5 cents or less on the dollar. And they generate thousands of these cases monthly and file lawsuits very often without even notifying you. What to do if you're served with a summons and complaint? Well, first of all, I'll tell you what not to do. Don't ignore the summons and complaint. If you ignore it, they're going to get a judgment against you. And once they have a judgment, they're going to attach your paycheck. They're going to attach your bank accounts. The judgment will become a lien on your real estate. The last thing you want to do is attach it. You want to answer it. And there are many defenses that you can raise. Because in my opinion, the process that debt buyers are using currently raise questions as to whether it's legal or not. For example, most of the time, they don't produce the signature card, which is the card that you sign agreeing to be liable on the debt. So they really can't prove you're liable on the debt. They also can't produce an assignment, and if they do produce an assignment, it's not a valid assignment. It's one of these robo-signing assignments with false affidavits that aren't even sworn to under the penalty of perjury. In addition, they have to produce a copy of the statements. They have to show that notice was given to you by the original creditor and by the debt buyer, which is almost never done. These are all defenses that you have in the case. And if they make a motion against you for summary judgment, you can get the case dismissed. More often than ever, they do not win these cases if they go to trial because they cannot produce the proper documentation. Although it's sad that a lot of judges do grant summary judgment to them because many of the state court judges are not aware that the whole process is illegal. But what I would advise you is when you get served with a summons and complaint, do not ignore it. Either hire a lawyer right away or proceed to the court and ask them how you can put in an answer without representation of an attorney. If I could be further help to you, please feel free to call me. My phone number is 718-721-4441. You can also see me on the web at 1877hurtbad.com. Thank you.